Oh, you should flip a coin over, Cal.
Should I?
3, 2, 1.
Is he crying?
I know the smart decision. It's this. But I...
Wait,
Is
no,
it?
I'm so confused.
What
I'm
the
so
fuck?
confused.
There's a nickel.
You don't even have a quarter to decide his fate.
Tails for Old Reliable. You called it.
All right, so tails for the white shade.
Yeah.
Congrats! Grab your money!
Yeah! Yes!
That was the right decision.
Sorry to let you down, Kenny, but...
I get my car back regardless, so.
I mean, I could buy whatever I want with this, Kenny.